Number 7, line manager alert. The line manager of one or several team members participates in the retrospective. This is the worst anti-pattern I can think of. It turns the retrospective truly into an unsafe place. I mean, who would respect that an unsafe place triggers an open discussion among the team members? Any line manager who insists on such a proceeding signals his or her lack of understanding of basic agile practices. There are 2 tricky situations that come to mind. Number 1, if you're a small product delivery team at a startup and a team member also serves in a management function or is a founder, retrospectives might be challenging. In this case, consider hiring an external Scrum Master to facilitate those, at least from time to time. Tricky situation number 2, the line manager is one of your team members and also serves on the team. My suggestion in this case, avoid the situation at all costs. The promotion of a team member means that the individual probably also needs a new team. There is no purposeful retrospective if one team member decides over bonuses or promotions of other team members.